I know it's been a while since I made a video, but making one today. We're gonna be doing quesadillas with like a black bean chili type thing. Let's just say we're making quesadillas with black bean chili. All right, let's get started. This is to cut the quesadilla. We're gonna need some cheese. Here's some, probably need more. Let's grab more. Anything else? Nah. Let's get the, oh, shoot. Pot for some chili. And guys, this is not chili. This is literally just black beans and tomato sauce. So, just pop these open. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Pour that in there. Turn that on about 4. Kind of like you do to heat up a soup. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be the bowl for our soup. Put this on about 6. Get the tortillas. We're gonna do 2 quesadillas. This is kind of gonna end up being like a grilled cheese situation, but with quesadillas. Oh, I don't know what to do. I guess that. All right. Sure, that's probably too much, but whatever. Now this first one is going to take like 10 times longer to make than the second one. Not really, but seems like it sometimes. Shoot, I'm almost out of plastic bags. I'm gonna have to go meet a store. Oh. Alright. Give this is gonna be the chili right here. Just give that a little bit of stir. Just wanna wait till it starts bubbling a little bit. That's how you know it's done. This, just gonna peel this back, look to see if it's melted before you flip it first, otherwise you're gonna have a big mess on your hands. One thing you can do while you're waiting is give it a little pepper. Just peel that back, everything's gonna be all right. Okay. Throw a little salt in this. Should we add a little hot sauce? I think so. Let's add some hot sauce. Alright. I like to use Frank's hot sauce whenever you need the original cayenne pepper. Boom, boom, boom! That was not nearly enough. So we're just going to set that to the side. Alright. How you feeling? You're feeling cold. What do you guys do when you feel cold inside? Gonna need a spoon for that. All right, how we feeling? Feeling okay? Oh. Hello there. How have things been since last time we talked? A lot's changed. A lot hasn't changed. But it's good to see you. Glad you're here. You can just spend this time together making some quesadillas and black bean chili. Oh boy, I've made a horrible mistake. Yeah, that's not what you want right there. This is a result of me trying to use the same thing for both, and that's why you don't do that, kids. You can't just dip it in there and then dip it in there, because then it makes it soggy, it makes it stick. It's not gonna work. It doesn't work that way. You can't do that. That's wrong. That's wrong behavior. You don't want to do that. And now I'm just upset with myself. You know, like, shoot. I don't know. But what do you do when you get upset with yourself? I mean, you can't run away. You're always right there. So, gotta learn to deal with it, I guess. And what may seem like a messed up tortilla in a frying pan, may just have to, just gotta eat it sometimes, you know, just gotta eat it anyway. Like I said, this first one takes way longer than the second one. The second one almost goes too fast. Like, if you don't flip it, it's gonna burn. But not the first one. First one takes a long time. Starting to get some bubbles. I'm not gonna stir it though. Can't risk it. Can't get into another sticky situation. All right, man, let's go for it. Let's start this up. It's gonna get quick here. Come on. Oh, work with me. There you go. There you go. Good girl. All right. That's messy down there. That's not what you want. That is not what you want. Now imagine you're having a friend over. And it's not just you eating 2 quesadillas. You know, what are you going to do when the pan gets so hot you got to flip it? You got to turn the heat down, man. You got to turn the heat down. You're going to be making more than just 2 of these. You can't have the quesadillas just burning all over the place. Also, this is just the amount of chili for 1 person. Like, if you're having other people over, it's a can for each person, you know? Like, 1 can black bean per person, 1 can tomato sauce per person. Now here's the thing with this second one. What's going to happen is the outside is going to be way more done than the inside. So you're going to have some spillage when you go to flip it. But if you wait too long to flip it, it's going to burn. So what you got to do is give it a little bit of assistance. Now I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but you see me touching it like this? I'm trying to make it sticky. I'm saying, hey, little heat, stay in there. Stay in your home and do what you're supposed to do before you go outside. Oh, I can smell it. It's time to flip it. Boom. See that? And then on this flip, if this is your last one, you just, you feel that? Turn the heat off. You don't need that. You don't need the heat anymore. It's hot enough. And you can go ahead and turn the heat off on this too. Pour it out. And we're just gonna garnish it with just a little bit of cheese. Just like that. Oh shoot, you gotta take this off, man. It's hot. It's too hot. Oh, perfect. Oh yeah, I gotta cut these up. Hold on. Forgot about that. Shoot. And I'm supposed to be a cooking channel. Okay, and that's the quesadilla and chili. Thanks for watching.